Hello, this is Robert Carter, District Technology Coach, back to you with Google Docs. In this video, I'm going to talk about add-ons. Add-ons are a really powerful addition to the Google Docs platform that allows you to install a separate software application that meets and takes care of something that Google Docs does not do on its own. So let's go ahead and take a look at the add-on screen. Now, in this case, I have none installed for Docs right now, but let's take a look. Get add-ons. Now, you can search for specific things. You could change the categories if you choose to. You see there are bibliography add-ons. There's some for templates, highlighting tools, a word cloud. There's all sorts of different things in here that could expand your usage of Google Docs. Let's actually grab the translate function right here from the top. Now, I do have to warn you, while many of these are free of charge, there are a variety that will give you free usage for X amount of time and then require either a payment or some sort of subscription. So please be aware of that when you look at the add-ons that you're going to try to use. Let's go ahead and authorize that. And we're going to give full access to. Okay, so add-on translate start. Let's go ahead and try some text. Okay, let's see what this looks like. Let's highlight add-ons. We're going to start up our translate. Let's go. Selected test is English. Let's see what it looks like in Spanish. Here's Spanish. Maybe I want to go to Japanese. Clearly, there's no Japanese words for Google Docs. German. And we can go the other way as well. So let's just say we close this out, put this in, and let's try to translate that. Try to go back to English. Okay. Now, this is not perfect. I wouldn't expect any online translator to be 100%, but it gives you a lot of additional functionality that maybe you did not have before. That is the whole point of a add-on for Docs. Let's actually go and grab one more. Let's grab that word cloud. Let's grab the word cloud generator. Give it a sec. Let's give it authorization. And allow. So in this case, we're going to have another add-on. We'll fire up here in a second. Go add-ins. Has not fully installed. Now we're going to go add-ons, word cloud. There it is. Let's go modern. Now we have a word cloud of everything that I have here. Now clearly for this add-on I'd want more words, but you could make a word cloud out of a student's work. Be a nice thing to display in the classroom. But the whole point of this video is to talk about the many different possibilities that you could expand the functionality of the Google Docs platform. I hope this video was of some use. If you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, have a great day.